Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have a review and yeah, disclaimer lang, baka manibago kayo sa bandang dulo ng video na to kasi yung yung 3/4 ng video, original video is nasira, unfortunately. Yes, nasira siya. Not nasira in a way na nagkaroon ng virus or something. Yung audio, nagkaroon ng problema. Big problema talaga. And halatang-halata siya sa video. At talagang rinig na rinig nyo. Almost di nyo na ako marinig. So, I have to retake the first 3/4 of the video. Kaya, medyo, baka manibago kayo na iba yung makeup ko dito. Tsaka iba yung makeup ko doon. So, yun lang. Disclaimer lang. Kasi, nakakainis, no? Pag nagawa mo na, tapos gagawin mo ulit, na parang, na, binuhos mo na lahat ng affection mo, lahat ng review mo. Tapos biglang sira. So today we're gonna have a review and this is Gluta-C Intense White products. Gluta-C products are in the market for so long already and I just have to try it out. I have to test it out kasi maraming rumors na maganda siya. And also, nagkaroon kasi ako ng problema sa discoloration of the skin Sobra. Kasi nangitim ako during the time that I was busy for the 4 months. Talagang nangitim ako kasi I was constantly in the sun, sa harap ng araw. I didn't have, nawalan ako ng care. Wala akong pakialam sa kutis ko during those times. And I already have discoloration on my face. I already have blackening or pangingitim ng katawan. So, I really wanted to test products that will help me in that problem. So, I bought the whole pack. Not the whole pack, pero meron ako mga hindi binili, pero yung mga talagang constant na kailangan ko yung binili ko. So, yeah, today we're gonna review that. Isa-isahin ko muna yung mga nabili ko sa kanila. The first one is the Gluta-C Intense Whitening Facial Day Cream. Ito siya. With SPF 25. Yan. This is 149.75 for 30 ml. And I bought this one in Save More. So, I think you can avail Gluta-C in any department store or groceries around the area. O yung mga talagang predominant na groceries like Robinsons, ganon. And SM Watsons, makikita nyo siya in the market naman. Very available. So, the second one is the Gluta-C Intense Whitening Body Lotion with SPF 25. Yung I bought the 125 ml for 169 pesos. Yes. And the next one is the Gluta-C Intense Whitening Glutathione with glutathione and vitamin C. Ito siya. I only have the 60 grams pero the 135 grams will cost you 99 pesos. Yun lang natatandaan ko. I think this one is 59 pesos, yung 65 grams. Pero yung malaki yung constant yung lagi kong binibili. Unfortunately, nawala yung mga packaging, kaya itong maliit lang yung natira sa akin. But this is, yeah, 57 to 59 pesos. But the big one is 99 pesos. And lastly, na nabili ko sa Gluta-C product is the Gluta-C Intense Whitening Deodorant with SPF 25. Charot lang. So, ito siya. This cost me 79 pesos. 79 pesos for 40 ml of the product. So now, let's review this Gluta-C products one by one. The first one we're gonna review is the Gluta-C Intense White Facial Day Cream. Again, this is 149 pesos for 30 ml. Tama ba? Yes, 149.75 pesos for 30 ml. It states here that it has SPF 25 with glutathione, vitamin C, A, and E. At the back, sabi sa kanya, it is whitening, it has sun protection, anti-aging, and moisturizing at the same time. So, yun yung sabi dito. Marami pang sabi dito, pero if you want to see in-depth ng review nito, I will link the written blog in the description box. Makikita nyo kung ano yung nakasulat sa likod at saka sa harap, kung ano yung itsura niya for the whole packaging. So, I will link that in the description box for you to read it. At saka makita nyo kung ano yung mga contains nito. Kasi some of us, guys, have allergies sa iba-ibang contains So, I will link that in the description box. With this one, guys, I actually been using this for 3 months now. And absolutely, I love the product. It really helped me. First off, it really helped me whiten the skin that I have. Kasi again, as I told you earlier, nagkaroon ako ng discoloration sa mukha because of sun exposure. And it really bugged me a lot kasi talagang hindi siya maganda tignan. medyo nagkapegas ako, medyo nagkaroon ako ng discoloration, no, overall. So, with this, it really helped me a lot in whitening my skin. Plus, what I love about this basically is that, yun nga, whitening. At the same time, it doesn't contribute on the oiliness that I have. Since I already have an oily skin, hindi siya tumulong sa pagiging oily ko. It's not greasy, hindi siya malagkit sa mukha, hindi siya mabigat sa mukha. Radiantly white siya, tapos it really helped me in my discoloration. Kasi currently, doon naka-makeup ako, wala na akong discoloration around my face. So, it really helped me a lot. I really love the product. I would totally recommend you guys this product. Lalo na doon sa mga nagpapaputi. In 7 days time, makikita ninyo na yung effect niya. Na totally na magiging maputing-maputi na kayo. Pero yung makikita nyo na yung result. Makakakita na kayo ng result. Yun yung tamang sagot. Yung makakakita na kayo ng result sa kanya. So, big recommendation. I would totally suggest you guys to try it. And then, let's continue on. The second one na i-review ko is this Gluta-C Intense Whitening Body Lotion plus the soap. So, let's start off with the body lotion. It says here, with SPF 25, then with glutathione and vitamin C. Meron siyang Glycostec, quick and effective penetration of the skin using patented French technology. I don't know what that is, pero yun ang sabi dito. Benefits, an extreme whitening action, advanced skin nourishment, effective protection from the sun. Okay. Again, sa trabaho ko, no, totally I have an exposure sa sun every single day. Talagang naghahatid ako hinahatid ko sila sa school, tapos nag-grocery ako, all that good stuff. Ginagawa ko yan. So, talagang yung araw, talagang galit na galit sa akin palagi. Anyway, so this really helped me a lot in moisturizing. Okay, so, kasi ang nagiging problema ko with whitening lotion, hindi lahat nakaka-moisturize din. So, nakakaputi sila, yes, but it's not moisturizing. Ito, tamang-tama lang, in the middle lang siya compared to other whitening lotion that is out there na talagang mahirapan kayo na mag-nourish or mag-moisturize ng skin because, again, it's whitening. Ang tendency kasi is exfoliant, and exfoliant dries the skin. So, yun nagiging problema. But with this one, it's nourishing, it's moisturizing, plus it's whitening as well. Kasi the SPF 25 really helped me a lot kasi yun nga, lumalabas ako palagi. Tinutulungan niya ako ma-prevent yung pangingitim palalo. Plus, lumalabas na ako, naiinitan na ako, pumuputi pa ako at the same time. So, I really love the product. The Gluta-C soap naman, what I can say about this is that, kasi minsan, hindi ko na nakikita yung resulta ng sabon, especially when I'm using the same brand ng sabon at lotion. Kasi nga, I don't know, kaya sabay ko silang nag-review kung it really helped me in my whitening. But syempre, nakakatulong siya since it's the same product and the same brand. So, nakakatulong din siya. Unlike, for example, yung mga Kojisan, or Kojic-based product na madaling malusaw. This, hindi siya madaling malusaw. Kaya, gustong-gusto ko rin siya kasi matagal siya maubos. Ako pa naman, naliligo ako sa umaga at saka sa gabi. So, hindi siya madaling maubos. I super love this. So, if I would rate this, I'll give this also a 9. Kasi maganda siya for whitening, moisturizing. So, a big thumbs up. And also, a week's time, makikita nyo na yung difference from your skin tone or your skin complexion. The next one is my favorite, charot. The next one is this Gluta-C Intense Whitening Deodorant. Sabi dito, it whitens, protects, absorbs, and safe, no harsh chemicals. And paraben-free. Dito guys, it states here, nasabi dito, the only cons that I have for this one is sabi kasi dito, it's 24 hours. Yes, it's 24 hours if it's not mainit. Okay. Magkaiba kasi yun eh. You can absolutely say that it's 24 hours. Kung 24 hours na mainit at okay ka pa rin. Alam mo yun, mabango ka pa rin yung kilikili mo at sweat-free ka pa rin. But, ang nakita kong cons dito is that pag sobrang init, wala pang 16 hours guys, medyo, alam nyo na, medyo may impact na eh. Kasi may scent siya. Ngayon, yung scent, hindi na nag-iiba yung scent niya after 16 hours. Kung sobrang init guys, again, this is sobrang init yung pinagbabasihan ko. But, again, for this weather that we have right now, na medyo malamig, okay siya. But, okay, so yun yung cons ko. But then again, if whitening yung pagbabasihan natin, again, as you can see guys, medyo bumonggang laki talaga ako ngayon. And, lata naman, di ba? So, medyo nagkaroon ako ng problema sa friction. Ibig sabihin ng friction yung pagsangga ng skin to skin. Kaya medyo nag-darken yung aking kilikili. Hindi maiiwasan yan. And, absolutely, this is very helpful. Kasi, it whitens na, plus, it prevented my skin from darkening, if you know what I mean. So, it was really effective in terms of whitening. So, a totally must try if you guys are whitening your underarms. So, big recommendation. But again, yun lang yung naging problema ko sa kanya, yung 24 hours na mainit at hindi mainit. So, I will give this an 8. Mahal pa yung presyo niya kasi this is 79 pesos. Meron ako na-try, less than 60 pesos, okay na eh. So, yun lang ang downside nito. I noticed about these products. Again, number 1 is that I already saw a difference from day 1 to day 7. So, a week's time, makikita nyo na kagad yung difference ng whitening nitong product na to. So, yun ang napansin ko. The second one is, though it's a bit pricey, di ba? Compared to other whitening products that is in the market. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth it. Except for medyo hindi sa deodorant eh. Pero other than that, I was okay with it. It was really helpful. It was per whitening, maganda siya in total, in general. So, with its price, okay siya. Next one that I noticed that mas effective to guys, itong Glutasine na to, if you're gonna use this taking a bath in the morning and taking a bath in the evening. So, very effective siya sa ganon. But, ako kasi, hindi ko ginagamit to sa gabi kasi iba ang aking night routine. But, other than that, the soap, the lotion, I use it at night. So, it was really effective kung ganun yung regimen na gagawin nyo, morning at night. And another one that I noticed is that, again, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, dati pa lang, pag ako nagpapalit ng moisturizer, whitening cream, or whatsoever, sa aking mukha, I tend to have a butlig-butlig. Yun yung aking rendition time in changing my regimen. So, in 1 week's time na ginamit ko siya, nagkaroon ako ng butlig-butlig, ng redness around my face because of the exfoliating. But, after that, wala naman eh. So, ngayon, wala na siya. Hindi rin kayo nagkakaroon ng rendition time in changing any products or facial day cream. So, it's okay. Walang problema. But, yun lang yung napansin ko sa kanya. Nagkaroon ako ng rendition time or pagbubutlig sa mukha. And, yun. Basically, that's my in-depth review about this Glutasine products. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please do give me a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. And dyan lang yung subscribe button. And be part of my family. And that's it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Bye. Have a great and happy day too. Bye.